Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create a WooCommerce BOGO buy one get one. For this, firstly go to the plugins and then you need to install both the free and premium versions of ShopBuilder. Then go to the ShopBuilder, settings and then modules. Find buy X get Y BOGO. Turn on the switch to enable this option. Instantly, you will get several general settings options. Then go to the create rules to add new discount rules. Provide your discount title like buy one get one. And then select your offer type and select the main product what you want to prefer. Now select that main product again to be eligible for the discount, because the discount you will get will apply to a similar product based on the main product you choose. Let's go to the shop page to visit our customization. Here it is. And then back to the settings. For your style customization, you can customize and change the color of your tooltip, arrow color, product name, etc. along with font size, color, margin for your archive page. You can also change and customize product details, font size, color from the color picker. Click on Save Changes. Let's go to the Visit Your Shop page. This is the difference after changing our color. Now click on your preferred product. Here it is. Now click on Add to Cart, then View Cart. Here this is our main product and this is the discounted product. Let's click on Proceed to Checkout. Now click on Place Order. This is our order invoice named Order Details. You can see the total of our main product value. Now let's back to our dashboard, WooCommerce and then Order. This is our order number. By clicking on this, you can further see your overall order details with the subtotal and total product cost. And this is how you can easily create a WooCommerce BOGO. Thank you for watching.